Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chef Pam and this is Chef and More. And today we are going to be making citrus basil grilled zucchini. Yes, and if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes the easy and simple way, subscribe so that you won't miss any of my videos and tap that bell so you'll always get notified. We're going to get started right now. Okay guys, the first thing we need to do is prepare our zucchini. So we're going to cut the tips off of both sides. And after that, we're just going to slice them the long way, straight down the middle, and then cut each half inside. Now you can slice this in circles or any way, I just like it the long way, and try to get your slices pretty even so that when they grill, they'll all grill at the same time. And you can, like I said, you can do this in circles or the long way. I just happen to like the long way when I'm grilling. It's easier on the grill for them not to fall through the grates. Okay guys, so we just want to lay those on our tray. The tray is just so that we'll have something to put all of our zucchini on and season it so you don't have to prepare it in any way, because we're going to be taking them right out to the grill. And I'm going to just cut this one once more because it's just a little thick. And I want to make sure they all kind of cook at the same time. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and prepare the rest of these. And now we've got them all sliced and now ready to season. First thing I'm going to do is sprinkle some olive oil over all of them. Then I'm going to brush it on both sides just to make sure that all pieces are very well coated. So the seasoning that we're going to be putting on here today will go on both sides so that when we flip it on the grill, it'll all grill and be nicely seasoned. So just make sure that you brush each piece very well with the olive oil that we just sprinkled on there. And then after we get all of these brushed, we're just going to flip them over and brush the other side. Yes. Okay, I'm going to finish brushing these and be right back. Time to season. Okay, got these all brushed up with the olive oil. So now we're going to sprinkle on a little salt, just regular sea salt, guys. Just sprinkle it. We're going to do this side first completely. Then I'll flip them over and we'll do the other side after that. We're also going to add some black pepper. Again, season everything to your taste. If you don't like black pepper or if you don't like a lot of salt, feel free to leave it out or put a little. And now I'm sprinkling on some dried basil. So just want to make sure you have the basil all over each piece. And you don't need to rub it in. That's why we put the olive oil on first so everything else will stick. I'm using lemon and orange for my citrus. And you just want to zest it. Keep turning the lemon and the orange as you zest so that you won't get any of the white part on there. After it's all zested, squeeze the lemon right on top of the zucchini. All right, guys, now we're going to go ahead and zest our orange and do the same thing. Remember, as you zest, turn. It may not seem like I'm turning it much, but I am. I only have a half of a lemon and a half of an orange here, so the turn isn't as prevalent as it would be if it was a whole. Then squeeze your orange on top. Now we're going to get these flipped over, guys, and do the other side, and we'll be back when it's time to head out to the grill. Okay, all seasoned. This is what it looks like as we're getting ready to head out to the grill, guys. Yes, and our charcoal is all dashed over. We have our zucchini here, and as you can see, our charcoal is nice and gray. And we're just going to lay these on here one by one, and we're going to let these cook just about 2 minutes on each side. They don't take long. While these are cooking, I'm going to go ahead and put my meat on the other side of the grill like this. And then I'll be taking these off soon. We're going to flip them over just one time. You don't need to flip them back and forth. Okay, guys, let's get in here and get these flipped. Yes, looking good. Oh, it smells good. Yes, yes, yes. Okay, guys, let's see what kind of grill marks we have. Yes, look at that. Woohoo! Nice grill marks. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, guys, I'm going to get these all turned over and then let them cook another minute or so. And then we're going to take them off the grill and we'll be all done. So I'll be back in just a few minutes when it's time to take them off. Yes, look at those grill marks, guys. Aren't they looking good? Yummy. Okay, guys, they're all done and ready to come off the grill. So let's just go ahead and get them on our plate over here. And we're going to just bang this out, take them all off the grill, and we'll be back and we're done. Yes, looking good, looking good. Okay, guys, we are all done. Here is our citrus basil zucchini, freshly grilled. Yes, and if you guys like these how-to step-by-step videos, please consider supporting me over on Patreon. I have the link in the description as well as right here. Don't forget to leave me some comments. I love to know what you guys think about the different dishes that I make. Give me a thumbs up. And guys, so that you'll always get my videos, subscribe. And don't forget to tap that bell. That way, you'll also get notified. I am so glad you guys came to hang out and cook with me today. I really do appreciate each and every one of you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.